Hello everyone, here we are going to start with a topic Venn diagram. So very first of all, what is Venn diagram? So Venn diagram is a geometrical way of representing any set. So the Venn diagram helps us to represent a set by means of a geometric figure. For illustration, if we have a universal set of a number 1 to 10, A of a number 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 and B as 5 and 10. तो अगर हम इसे Venn diagram के थ्रू शो करेंगे, so we are going to form a rectangle which is going to represent a universal set. इसके बाद इसके अंदर हम लोग दो सर्कल्स का यूज करेंगे to represent the set A and set B. Now very first of all we are going to fill this common portion. तो set A और B में common है 10. So we are going to write 10 over here. Then set B में हमारे पास 5 और बच गया. So we are going to write 5 over here. Then we are left with 2, 4, 6 and 8 in set A. So we'll be writing 2, 4, 6 and 8 over here. Then we are going to write the remaining one in the universal set. That is 1, 2 is there. We can write 3, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6, 7 we have to write. So 7, 8 and 9. So this is the way of representing this universal set, set A and set B in a Venn diagram. Now let's begin with exercise 6.2. Now let's do question number 1. Here we are having this Venn diagram and we have to find the set of these all with the help of this diagram. So very first of all we have to find set A. तो set A के सर्कल में हमारे पास है 0, 5, 7, 8, 9 and 11. We have all of this in the set A. Now then set B we are having 4 terms, that is 2, 5, 6 and 8. Then we have to find the universal set. In case of the universal set, we are going to take all the numbers which are written in this rectangular box. So we are having 0, 1, 2, 3 is not there. So 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is also not there. We will take 11 and then 12. Then we are having A complement. So A complement are the numbers which are apart from the circle A. इस set A या circle A के बाहर जो भी number है वो A complement हो जाएंगे. So we are having 1, 2, 4, 6 and 12. Then we have to find B complement. B complement में इस circle के बाहर जो भी number होंगे that will be considered in B complement. So we are having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Then 7, 9, 11 and 12. Then we are having A union B. A union B में ये सारे नंबर हम लोग कंसिडर करते हैं जो दोनों सर्कल के बीच में लाई कर रहा है. So we are having 0, 2, 3 is not there, 4 is not there, 5, 6, then 7, then 8, then 9 and 11. Now we are having A intersection B. A intersection B में हमारे पास सिर्फ ये दो नंबर आएगा, that is 5 and 8. Then we have A union B complement, means इन दोनों के बाहर यानी कि 1, 2 and 3, these three numbers, that is 1, 4 and 12. Then after this we are having A intersection B complement. This means 5 और 8 के अलावा सारे नंबर हम लोग यहाँ पे कंसिडर करेंगे. So we are having 0, 1, 2, 3 is not there, 4, 5 will not be taken, so 6, 7, 8 will also not taken, so 9, 11 and 12 as answer. Now let's do question number 2. Here we are having this Venn diagram and we have to find the values of this sets. So very first of all we get for the P. तो P circle के अंदर ये सारे elements आते हैं. So we are going to take A, B, D, E, F, G, H and I. Then we have the Q. Q के अंदर ये सिर्फ ये तीन numbers आएंगे, that is B, D and E. So we have B, D and E for the set Q. Then we have the universal set. Universal set में ये दोनों number भी include होंगे along with P. So we are having A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. Then we have P complement. P complement में सिर्फ ये दोनों नंबर कंसिडर किए जाएंगे. That is C and J. Then we have Q complement. Q complement में ये 5 नंबर और ये दो नंबर्स को हम लोग कंसिडर करेंगे. So we have A, G, H, F, I, then J and C. Then we have P union Q. अगर हम P union Q के बारे में बात करें तो Q के सारे टर्म P के अंदर पहले से लाई कर रहे हैं. This means it will be just the set P. यानी कि इसके अंदर के सारे एलिमेंट्स हम लोग यहाँ पे P union Q में कंसिडर करेंगे. So we will be having A, B, D, E, F, G, H and I. Then we have the intersection. That is P intersection Q. तो P intersection Q में सिर्फ यही तीन नंबर्स कॉमन होंगे जो कि सेट Q में पहले से लाई कर रहे हैं. So this will be B, D and E. And now we are having P union Q complement. P union Q में जब ये P के सारे एलिमेंट हैं तो P complement के बराबर ये भी हो जाएगा. That we are going to take only C and J. So we have only C and J over here. And in the case of P intersection Q complement, we are going to take the complement of only Q terms, that is B, D and E. तो इनके अलावा जो भी है वो सब इसमें आ जाएगा. So we have A, G, H, F, I, J, C as answer. Now here we go with question number 3, in which we are having this Venn diagram in which there are three sets A, B and C, and this whole is a universal set. And now we have to find all these sets. So very first of all, the universal set. So in this one we are having the numbers from 1 to 12. So the universal set will be consisting a number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Even 0 is also there. So we are going to take the 0 over here. Then we are having A intersection B. A intersection B means the common of the set A and B. So for this we are having 8, 0 and 5. So we have 8, 0 and 5. Then we have A intersection B intersection C, means the common of the three. So common of the three is 0 and 5. So here we'll be having only 0 and 5. Then next we have C complement. C complement means there are numbers which are outside the set C. तो set C के अंदर जो set numbers हैं वो 3, 0, 5, 6, 1 and 4. तो इनके अलावा जो भी नंबर है वो हम लोग यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. So they are 2 from here, 9, 12, 9, 12. Then we are having 10 and 8, 10, 8 from this one, and then 11 and 7. So 7 and 11. So here we get C complement. Now we are going to find A minus C. So in this A minus C, we are going to take the numbers which are from the set A but not as common with C. The common C के साथ है 0, 5 and 3. So the numbers are 8 and 10 for A minus C. Then we have B minus C. B minus C में भी B और B के वो नंबर लेंगे जो C में कॉमन नहीं है. So we are having 8, 11 and 7. So here we get 7, 8 and 11. Then we have C minus B. C minus B में C के वो नंबर लेंगे जो B में कॉमन नहीं है. That is 3, 4 and 6. So here we get 3, 4 and 6. Then A union B complement means इन दोनों के कॉमन के बाहर के सारे नंबर. So we are having 2, 4, 6, 9 and 12. So here we get 2, 4, 6, 9 and 12. Now we have A union B union C complement means इन तीनों सेट के बाहर के नंबर्स 2, 9 and 12 will be taken over here. So we have 2, 9 and 12. So this is your answer. Now we have question number 4. Here we are having the set A and B in the form of set builder form. So very first of all, we are going to put them in a roasted form, that is A equals to x such that x, where x is the element of natural number, where x is equals to 2n and n is less than equals to 5. So we can take the table of 2 till 5. So we are having 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 times 6 and 4 times 8, then 5 times 10. Then we have the set B. In this one x and that x is the element of whole number where x is equals to 4n. So यहाँ पे हम लोग 0 से start करेंगे and this will be 0, 4, 8, then 3 times we have 12 and 4 times we have 16. This is less than 5, so we are not going to take 5 over here. So we have the set A and B like this way. Now we have to make the Venn diagram for this sets. So here we see that we are having some numbers in a common. So we're going to take the overlapping sets. So here we get the set A and this one is B. Common in दोनों में पहले हम लोग ले लेते हैं, that is 4. We have 4 as common and then we have 8 as common. फिर A में जो बच गए उनको लिखेंगे, that is 2, 6 and 10. और फिर B में जो बचे वो आ जाएंगे 0, 12 and 16. Here we move with the second part of the question number 4, in which we are having the set A and B, in which the A is prime factors of 42. So this can be written as A equals to 2, 3 and 7. Then we have the set B, which is prime factors of 60. तो set B हो जाएगा 2, 3 and 5. Now we have to form a Venn diagram for these two. So we see that 2 and 3 is common in both of it. तो हम लोग इसको overlapping sets में रखेंगे and that is set A and B. So this is 2 and 3 and here it will be 7 and 5 as answer. Now here we go with the third part of question number 4, in which we are having the set P, which is x and that x is the element of whole number where x is less than 10. So we'll be having P equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. As it is less than 10, so we are not going to take 10. और Q के केस में है prime factors of 210. So we have 2, 3, 5 and 7 as the prime factors of the 210. Now we see that 2, 3, 5 and 7, all of them are in the set P. So this will be somehow like this. Here we'll be having the set Q, in which 2, 3, 5 and 7 is there, and then we'll be having the set P, which will consider all the numbers like 0, 1, 2 is already there, 3 is there, so we'll take 4, then 5 is already there, so 6, 7 is there, so we take 8 and then 9 as answer. Now let's do question number 10. Here we are having the cardinal number for the set A as 22, the cardinal number of the B is 18 and the cardinal number of A intersection B as 5. तो सबसे पहले हमें इसका Venn diagram बनाना है. So we have the set A and the set B. So here we get A and this one is B. Now it has been given that common in both of the set is 5 terms. So we are going to write 5 over here. Then we have the set A has 22 terms. तो इसमें से 5 हम लोग पहले ही यहाँ लिख चुके हैं. So 22 minus 5, that is 17 terms over here. And this set B is also having 18 terms, जिसमें से 5 हम लोग यहाँ पे already लिख चुके हैं. So we'll be writing 13 over here. Now we have to find A union B. तो A union B में ये सारे numbers एक साथ हम लोग consider करेंगे. That is 17 plus 5 plus 13. So this is 35 as A union B, the cardinal number of A union B. Then we have A minus B. A minus B में ये terms आते हैं जो कि A में है but B में नहीं है. So this is 17 in number और B minus A में हो जाएगा ये 13 as answer. Now let's move to question number 6. Here we are having the cardinal number of the set A as 25, the set B as 16, A intersection B is 6 and A union B complement is 5. तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे common दिया हुआ, that is intersection is 6. This means the Venn diagram of both of them will be overlapping. तो यहाँ पर overlapping हम लोग show कर रहे हैं set A and B में. Then we have the common is 6. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग common portion नहीं भरते हैं and this is 6 over here. Then the set A we are having 25 term, जिसमें से 6 हम already यहाँ लिख चुके हैं. So we will be left with 19 over here. Then the B is having 16, जिसमें से 6 यहाँ पे already हो चुका है. So we are having 10. Now इन दोनों का जो सेट है ये कंबाइन करके A यूनियन B बना रहा है. Then we are having the complement of A union B, that is 5. तो 5 इस सेट के बाहर आ जाएगा. That is, it is going to be considered in universal set. So here we get the universal set. Then we have to fill up all of this with the help of this. So the union is going to consider all the numbers in the set. So this is 19 plus 6 plus 10. That is equals to 19 plus 6, 25, and 25 plus 10, 35. Then we have the universal. So in the universal, you'll be having all of the terms, that is 19 plus 6 plus 10 plus 5. That is equals to 40. Then we have A minus B. A minus B में ये 19 आएगा क्योंकि 6 already B में present है. That is 6 is common in both of it. So we have 19 as the cardinal number of A minus B, and the cardinal number of B minus A will be 10. So we have 10 over here as answer. Now here in question number 7, we are having the cardinal number of universal set as 25 and the cardinal number of A complement as 7 and the B is 10, and it has been given that B is a subset of A. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग cardinal number of A निकाल लेते हैं. So cardinal number of A will be equals to n, the universal set minus n A complement, and here we have 25 minus 7, that is equals to 18. So the set A is having 18 terms. Now we will draw a Venn diagram for the sets given in this question. So very first of all, it has been given that B is subset of A. This means जो B का set है वो A के अंदर lie करेगा. So this is B and this one is A. And here we have been given that B is having 10 terms. और A हमारे पास 18 आता है. This means here we are going to write 8 because 10 हम लोग पहले लिख चुके हैं. And it has been given that A complement is 7, यानी A के बाहर 7 है. So in the universal set, it is going to have 25 terms by adding all of the 3. So here we have the universal set. Now we have to find A minus B, यानी कि A के वो terms जो B में present नहीं है. So we are having only 8. So n A minus B equals to 8 as answer. Now let's do question number 8. Here in this question we have, in a group of 50 boys, 20 plays only cricket and 12 plays only football and 5 plays both the games. Draw a Venn diagram and find the number of boys who plays at least one of the two games, cricket or football, and neither cricket nor football. Now here we are having this one as the information given in the question, in which the total number of boys is 50, which is going to include cricket players, football players and all. Then the students who plays only cricket are going to be considered in C minus F, and they are 20 in number. Then the students who are playing only football is considered in F minus C, that is 12 in number. Then we have the both player, the one who are playing both the games, so they are considered in intersection. Now let's form a set for this. So here we are having for the C, and as it is intersecting, so we are going to write this one and then the football player. Here we are having C intersection F, that is 5. So तो इन दोनों का जो common है यहाँ पे 5 आ गया. Then we have C minus F equals to 20, that is only cricket player. Then we have F minus C, that is only football player, that is 12. Now in the universal set, we are going to write all the numbers which are left out of it. So in total we are having 50, और यहाँ पर हो जाएगा हमारे पास 20 plus 5, that is 25, and 25 plus 12, that is 37. तो बाकी जो बचे वो ना क्रिकेट खेलते हैं ना फुटबॉल. So they are 13 in number. So in the question it has been asked, how many students are the players of at least one of the game. At least one of the game में ये सारे नंबर कंसिडर करे जाएंगे, या तो क्रिकेट खेलते हैं या दोनों खेलते हैं या फुटबॉल खेलते हैं. So we are having 20 plus 5 plus 12, that is equals to 37. Then we have the neither player, मतलब ना क्रिकेट खेलते हैं ना फुटबॉल खेलते हैं. So we have 13 over here as 13 as answer. Now let's move to question number 9. Here we have, in a group of 40 students, 26 students like orange but not banana, while 32 students like orange. If all the students like at least one of the two fruits, find the number of students who like. both orange and banana, and only banana. We have also draw a Venn diagram to represent this given data. So here we have this one as the information given in the question, in which n O union B equals to 40. These are the number of students in the class, and even as all the students like at least one of the food, therefore they are considered in a union. Now we have the students who like only orange, not banana, they are 26, and the one who like orange, that is 32. Means this one is going to contain some of the students who also like banana also. Then we have to find O intersection B, मतलब इन दोनों में common कितने. So we are going to subtract these two to get the common. So this will be N O minus N O minus B. That is equals to 32 minus 26. So we have 6 as answer. So there are 6 students who like both banana and orange. Now we have to find B minus O. So for the B minus O are the students who like only banana, and they are N, the universal set, minus N O. जो orange के सारे अगर हम हटा देते हैं, in that case we will be getting only banana. So we have 40 minus 32, that is equals to 8. अब हमें इसका Venn diagram भी show करना है. So we are having the set O for the orange and then for the banana. And we have been given the common for both of it is 6. So 6 will be written over here. Then we have O minus B is 26. So 26 is over here. And B minus O is 8. So we get 8 over here as answer. Now let's do question number 10. Here in this question we have, in a group of 60%, 45 speaks Bengali, 28 speak English, and all the person speaks at least one language. Find how many people speak both Bengali and English. Draw the Venn diagram for it. Now here we have this one as the information given in the question, in which the number of students who can speak Bengali equals to 45. Then the number of people who are able to speak English is 28. Then the people who are able to speak at least one of the language is 60. Also 60 is the total number of people surveyed in this question. Now we have to find B intersection C, that is the number of people who are able to speak both of the language. So here we are going to use the formula N B plus N E minus N B union E. So here we have 45 plus 28 minus 60, that is 73 minus 60 equals to 13. Now we have to put this one in a Venn diagram also. So this will be for B and this is for E. Here the common is 13, so we are going to write the common over here. Then we have been given in the case of the Bengali, that is for the set B, we are having 45, जिसमें से 13 हम लोग already यहाँ पे लिख चुके हैं. So we'll be writing over here as 32. Then we are having the English as 28, जिसमें से 13 हम लोग यहाँ पे already लिख चुके हैं. So we'll be writing 15 over here. So this is the answer for this question. That's all for this video. Thank you.